The fifth issue is groove marks. Groove marks usually appear as liner, groove-like, or pressure marks on the film surface. Common causes include existing groove marks on the material, shrinkage after original film is slit and stored, or excessive rewinding tension. The solution is to adjust the material to the best slitting tension, shorten the storage time of the original film, and make the coated material into master rolls in the time for inventory. At the same time, reduce the rewinding tension to lower the risk of groove marks in later processing. For bubbles, bubble marks, yellowing, wrinkles, and groove marks, most risks can be reduced through correct product selection, standardized operation, and proper storage. YG Group provides stable solvent-based lamination film products and professional application suggestions to help improve finished label quality and reduce after-sale issues.